Welcome to Trivia on Tap, where we prepare you to win bar trivia and increase your general knowledge. Subscribe for daily trivia videos and comment below with how many answers you got correct. Let's get started with some opera classics trivia. Which opera features the character Violetta Valéry? Is it A. Tosca, or B. The Magic Flute, or C. Madame Butterfly, or D. La Traviata? The correct answer is D. La Traviata. Who composed the opera La Bohème? Is it A. Wolfgang Mozart, or B. Giacomo Puccini, or C. Richard Wagner, or D. Gioacchino Rossini? The correct answer is B. Giacomo Puccini. A. Madrid, or B. London, or C. Barcelona, or D. Paris? In which city did Carmen by Bizet premiere? The correct answer is D. Paris. Who wrote the libretto for the Marriage of Figaro? Is it A. Lorenzo da Ponte, or B. Luigi da Vinci, or C. Mozart, or D. Giovanni di Lorenzo? The correct answer is A. Lorenzo da Ponte. Which opera is known for the Habanera aria? Is it A. La Traviata, or B. Carmen, or C. Don Giovanni, or D. La Bohème? The correct answer is B. Carmen. Who composed the Barber of Seville? Is it A. Antonio Vivaldi, or B. Wolfgang Mozart, or C. Gioacchino Rossini, or D. Ludwig Beethoven? The correct answer is C. Gioacchino Rossini. Which composer created the opera Aida? A. Wolfgang Mozart, or B. Giuseppe Verdi, or C. Richard Wagner, or D. Johann Strauss? The correct answer is B. Giuseppe Verdi. In which language is Der Ring des Nibelungen sung? Is it A. French, or B. Italian, or C. German, or D. Norwegian? The correct answer is C. German. Which opera contains the Ride of the Valkyries? Is it A. Die Meistersinger von Nürnberg, or B. Das Rheingold, or C. Die Walküre, or D. Tristan und Isolde? The correct answer is C. Die Walküre. Which letter represents the correct answer for the question, who wrote the opera Don Giovanni? Is it A. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, B. Ludwig van Beethoven, C. Richard Wagner, or D. Johann Sebastian Bach? The correct answer is A. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. In which opera does the character Mimi appear? Is it A. Madame Butterfly, or B. La Bohème, or C. Carmen, or D. The Magic Flute? The correct answer is B. La Bohème. Which opera was composed by Richard Strauss in 1911? Is it A. Salome, or B. Der Rosenkavalier, or C. Die Frau ohne Schatten, or D. Elektra? The correct answer is B. Der Rosenkavalier. Who composed The Flying Dutchman? Is it A. Franz Schubert, or B. Johann Strauss, or C. Ludwig van Beethoven, or D. Richard Wagner? The correct answer is D. Richard Wagner. Which opera has a character named Gilda? A. La Traviata, or B. Don Giovanni, or C. Carmen, or D. Rigoletto? The correct answer is D. Rigoletto. Who composed Norma? Is it A. Vincenzo Bellini, or B. Giacomo Puccini, or C. Gioacchino Rossini, or D. Giuseppe Verdi? The correct answer is A. Vincenzo Bellini. Which opera features the aria Una furtiva lagrima? Is it A. Tosca, or B. Turandot, or C. L'Elisir d'amore, or D. La Traviata? The correct answer is C. L'Elisir d'amore. Who composed Die Fledermaus? Is it A. Johann Strauss II, or B. Franz Schubert, or C. Ludwig van Beethoven, or D. Richard Wagner? The correct answer is A. Johann Strauss II. Who composed Pagliacci? Is it A. Ruggero Leoncavallo, or B. Giacomo Puccini, or C. Pietro Mascagni, or D. Giuseppe Verdi? The correct answer is A. Ruggero Leoncavallo. What is the setting for Turandot? Is it A. China, or B. France, or C. Italy, or D. Egypt? The correct answer is A. China. Who composed Eugene Onegin? Is it A. Igor Stravinsky, or B. Sergei Prokofiev, or C. Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky, or D. Nikolai Rimsky-Korsakov? The correct answer is C. Pyotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky. Which character sings Largo al factotum? Is it A. Figaro, or B. Papageno, or C. Rigoletto, or D. Don Quixote? The correct answer is A. Figaro. In which opera does the character Siocho-san appear? Is it A. Madama Butterfly, B. Carmen, C. La Bohème, D. Tosca? Choose between Madama Butterfly, or B. Carmen, or C. La Bohème, or D. Tosca. The correct answer is A. Madama Butterfly. Which opera is set in the city of Nuremberg? Is it A. Die Meistersinger von Nürnberg, or B. La Bohème, or C. Don Giovanni, or D. Madama Butterfly? The correct answer is A. Die Meistersinger von Nürnberg. What is the name of the birdcatcher in the magic flute? Is it A. Papagena, or Papageno, or C. Tamino, or D. Sarastro? The correct answer is B. Papageno. Who composed Rusalka? A. Gustav Mahler, or B. Sergei Rachmaninoff, or C. Bedřich Smetana, or D. Antonin Dvořák? The correct answer is D. Antonin Dvořák. Which opera features the character Desdemona? Is it A. La Traviata, or B. Carmen, or C. Otello, or D. The Magic Flute? The correct answer is C. Otello. Who wrote the opera Peter Grimes? Is it A. Giacomo Puccini, or B. Benjamin Britten, or C. George Bizet, or D. Richard Wagner? The correct answer is B. Benjamin Britten. Who composed Cavalleria Rusticana? Is it A. Ruggero Leoncavallo, or B. Giacomo Puccini, or C. Antonio Vivaldi, or D. Pietro Mascagni? The correct answer is Pietro Mascagni. Who composed the Pearl Fishers? Is it A. Richard Wagner, or B. George Bizet, or C. Gioacchino Rossini, or D. Claude Debussy? The correct answer is B. George Bizet. Which opera is set during the Egyptian conquest of Ethiopia? Is it A. Carmen, or B. Aida, or C. La Bohème, or D. The Magic Flute? The correct answer is B. Aida. Which letter A. Gioacchino Rossini, or B. Gaetano Donizetti, or C. Giuseppe Verdi, or D. Vincenzo Bellini wrote the opera L'Elisir d'Amore? The correct answer is B. Gaetano Donizetti. Who composed Salome? Is it A. Johann Strauss II, or B. Gustav Mahler, or C. Richard Strauss, or D. Ludwig van Beethoven? The correct answer is C. Richard Strauss. Who composed the Tales of Hoffmann? Is it A. Johann Strauss, or B. Jacques Offenbach, or C. Ludwig van Beethoven, or D. Richard Wagner? The correct answer is B. Jacques Offenbach. Which opera features the character Tamino? Is it A. The Barber of Seville, or B. La Bohème, or C. Don Giovanni, or D. The Magic Flute? The correct answer is D, the magic flute. Who wrote the opera Bluebeard's Castle? Is it A. Giacomo Puccini, or B. Johann Strauss II, or C. Richard Wagner, or D. Bela Bartok? The correct answer is D, Bela Bartok. Which opera has the famous anvil chorus? Is it A. Don Giovanni, or B. Il Trovatore, or C. Madame Butterfly, or D. La Traviata? The correct answer is B, Il Trovatore. Who wrote the opera Hansel and Gretel? Is it A. Richard Wagner, or B. Johann Strauss, or C. Giacomo Puccini, or D. Engelbert Humperdinck? The correct answer is D, Engelbert Humperdinck. Which opera has a scene called the Wolf's Glen? A. La Traviata, or B. The Magic Flute, or C. Don Giovanni, or D. Der Freischütz? The correct answer is D, Der Freischütz. A. Cole Porter, or B. Irving Berlin, or C. Leonard Bernstein, or D. George Gershwin? Who composed Porgy and Bess? The correct answer is D, George Gershwin. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.